just going to try and repair this battery. It doesn't seem to be wanting to work properly. So, $7 volts. It should be 16. So I'm gonna have a quick nosy on it, see if we can get it fixed. Not sure how it comes apart. It's got like a little clip there.
Eugenia pleads innocence. On October 6th, 1920, she's convicted of murder and sentenced to death. But she is spared execution and released after 11 years in prison. Her secret finally revealed, Eugenia would live the rest of her life as a woman. Sometimes the darkest secrets aren't just kept by others, they are kept by those who should expose them.
Oh,
It's a
quite easy to get into.
Texas hospital.
Right, let's
Babies were born without cause.
pull a bigger tip on.
Noticed that there were increased numbers of cardiopulmonary arrests on the ward.
Administrators suspect something is seriously wrong.
All are victims which are, the most innocent of the population.
Probably should have got all this set up beforehand. But I'm not an expert.
Once dying way too frequently.
Saying that they expected 1 a week, but all of a sudden they were getting 3 or 4 or 5 a week.
Administrators suspect they have a murderer loose in the pediatric ICU.
I don't think there was any doubt that they had a good idea of what she was doing.
They even have a prime suspect.
Somebody that has been trained to protect and save lives, not kill them.
Nurse Janine Jones.
I've had several cases that stand out in my mind, but this one is particularly hideous because of death to small children.
This darkest of secrets began because 31-year-old vocational nurse Janine Jones has a secret compulsion, a hero complex. She likes the idea she can save lives in an emergency. She is a super nurse.
When someone has a strong need to be seen as a hero, a savior, we call that a hero complex. When it becomes so deep-seated a need that the individual creates a scenario where they can rush in and save the person, that's when it becomes dangerous.
Janine uses a variety of drugs to stress her young victims, like blood thinners and cardiac arrest agents. She doesn't necessarily want to kill her victims, just make them sick enough to rescue.
That was her way of getting attention. She was a big person. She was a big person when she resuscitated children, when she brought them back from death's door. And the rest of her life, she wasn't anything.
Janine chooses victims younger than speaking age.
I don't know if this is the correct way of doing it, but it's working.
But all too often they remain silent forever because Janine miscalculates her poison. Criminal profiler Candace DeLong thinks Janine was.
There we go, that's off.
The people of the country, they could be spending time waiting to bring your waste home. In our March draws, you could win a share of 17.3 million pounds. 2026, here I come. This is just next level. For a chance to win, sign up before midnight tonight. A share of 17.3 million pounds could be yours. Only if your draw is in the draw.
Right, so one of these cells must be knackered.
Pension credit. You could boost their pension income by an average of over £4,000 a year.
That looks alright. Get this in so you can see. That cell's fine. That cell's fine. That cell's fine. That is not a good cell, so it just needs this one replacing.
Millions of dollars were at stake.
So we will try and pull this up without damaging it.
When the stakes are this high, guilty, every minute counts. Justice Stream 48 hours on Pluto TV. This was a lot of waiting to happen. The Metropolitan Police painted a picture of abuse on an almost industrial scale. Steve Lawrence had been murdered for the racist method.
I have to put a new one on. Ideally, I don't want to damage that tab.
Escalated from stalking to murder. Stream Inside Crime on Pluto TV.
To uncover the criminal truth, you've got two victims of shot. You have to ask the right questions.
What did they tell the police? Why? What did you see?
Showing on the case on Pluto TV.
Stay quiet. This are angels walking here.
Have a look what this one is saying. Just make sure. Yeah, it's acting as a resistor. It's clearly failed.
Candace DeLong thinks Janine was searching for respect.
On the line in her development.
Right, one sec. Well, we'll just go and find a new battery replacement.
Janine.
Right, so I found some replacement batteries.
I would say that she was the worst serial murderer in the history of this county, probably in the history of Texas.
I'll have a quick nosy, see what they are.
Which is worse?
4.1,
Sick children.
4.1,
Murders were covered.
4.1,
We're not sure
4.
exactly
Close enough.
because a lot of the records disappeared. There was so much.
Close enough. Right, so
Cases were never reported to my office.
Eventually, the hospital raises the training bar for ICU nurses. Janine no longer qualifies.
so I need.
So when they adopted that policy, then they let her go from that unit. Let go, by the way, with an excellent letter of recommendation, even though they knew what was going on.
Incredibly, a killer walks away from the Medical Center Hospital in San Antonio with a reference. Her dark secret is safe. She is free to kill again. The only question is, where? Amongst the darkest secrets in Texas criminal records is the case of Nurse Janine Jones.
Fiddly little things, aren't they? Well,
That Janine Jones was responsible for what was going
here's
on.
what it is.
In 1981, Janine is suspected of poisoning innocent children, so she could become a hero by saving their lives.
She would create these medical emergencies, and she would know how to handle it, which made her look like the supreme nurse, that she would take care of the emergencies that she created.
I should probably replace all the batteries, but I'm not gonna. I'm not selling this to anyone or doing anything. It's just my personal battery for a ratchet, a powered ratchet.
She left San Antonio because of all these unexplained deaths.
District Attorney Ronald L. Sutton would be the one to finally end Janine's case.
Have a quick look on this.
Janine Jones begins working in a Kerrville clinic. Her new boss, Dr. Kathleen Holland, has no idea of Janine's dark secret. As she treats young patient Chelsea Ann McClellan, Chelsea has a hope.
For there, you can have a
In the protocol of the doctor's
nosy on it.
Nurse Janine Jones would take the baby into a separate room, just she and the baby. And to perform whatever cursory examination, weight and blood pressure, whatever. But every time that Janine would have these children by herself, all of a sudden it would become like a rag doll. And then she would scream out.
Once again, Nurse Jones is hailed a hero, saving Chelsea from respiratory arrest.
Bit damaged, but
The need to do this is like a bottomless pit. It's never filled.
we'll get it put on. The more the merrier, eh? That's what I say.
Little Chelsea is again in respiratory
It's a good little tool, this.
after another routine checkup by Nurse Jones.
It's a Thenursi SW-M10. So it's probably, well, it is. It's the best spot welder which I've got. I did have one of them ones which just looked like a circuit board, but they're absolutely rubbish.
Her victims was incidental to all the excitement
So
and thrill she
I've got
got
to put this on.
being involved in trying to
Which
save
way did it go?
a child.
That way. Yeah, that way. It has to go that way because there's only 3 tabs. So that's the way it goes on. Clean them up a little bit.
We talked to the anesthesiologist who said this child looked like it was coming out from the effects of 6-methyl, and we'd all started.
Some solder wick. Some solder wick here.
And it blocks the neurological impulse from the nerve to the muscle. It's the blocking of the respiratory effort, so an individual basically asphyxiates to death.
The secret of Janine Jones' hero complex is unraveling. After Chelsea's death, she visits her grave and seems
It's got the crappy solder wick I've ever got, this. Literally, it doesn't suck up.
But her need to kill was stronger than her need to.
I wouldn't recommend buying it.
And
It says
that was
crap.
a mistake.
It's from the online Chinese store. But it's, yeah, it's rubbish.
Janine's grief is a shock for Chelsea's mother, who happens to visit at the same time. discovers more incriminating evidence. Her vial of succinylcholine, a paralyzing agent often called a neptine, has been perforated by a needle.
And they would
No. It's a bit blocked.
The final piece of evidence comes from Chelsea's exhumed body.
Oh, some other sort of
Traces of a neptune. As investigators close in, the most telling lead comes from Janine John's colleagues at her last nursing job.
And they said, well, what's her name? They said, Janine Jones. And the answer was, oh, yeah, the one who murdered the kids.
Yeah, I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination.
When she arrived at the Kerrville,
I do my best.
it is
I
only
try
Chelsea's
to
murder that finally puts her away.
try to repair anything I can,
Convicted of
rather than throw it in the bin.
and causing injury to 7 other children.
And I'm sure there's plenty of people out there who are watching
Ever been charged over
who are like, you're doing it wrong, but
Medical Center Hospital.
maybe I am.
Devastating
But
case on the community, on the medical
like I say,
university
anything to repair which is a bit
hospital.
questionable, I don't
Maintains she is innocent.
I don't sell it. I don't sell it on. It's just for me. As you can see, I'm not an expert.
The safest place for them
But
to be
it's just entertainment. It's just for you to watch and
their life incarcerated. There is no
have a
way
laugh.
they can ever know that they will not kill again.
I probably need to get some more solder work because this is shocking. But the more I do it as well, the better I'll get. Like I say, I'm not an expert. It's just for entertainment purposes. Get this over. Yeah, I'm struggling a little bit.
Her secret compulsion possibly claimed the lives of 46 infants. What price a secret? For these deadly women, their victims paid the ultimate price.
So that's that done. I'll feed this one in. No. I'll go back on now. Oh, that wasn't good, was it? Could do with 3 hands. Come on.
Don't worry, Roy. With Sky Mobile, you can still
There we
expect
go.
more. Customers said they switched and saved over £100.
That's just common sense.
Oh no. One sec. Made a mistake.
And Sky consistently has the lowest
I forgot to put that pad on. Which pad was it? This one. This one, so I'll just squeeze it on under. Definitely don't want that shorting out. We all know what happens when you short these 650s out. A lot of bad things can happen.
What do you know about the mob?
What mom? Check, please.
Family is everything.
Stream Love Lives on Pluto TV. This is Tyra Banks. This is The Passion. Relive the icon. America's Next Top Model on Pluto TV.
That's that one. Yeah, it's gone on. It's definitely not the best job I've ever done, but I'll just check it. So that's a positive 3 volts. Well, it was a positive 3 volts. So that's saying it's negative. One sec. I'm just going to have to stop the video and look back and see what I've done. Alright, I've watched it back. The brown, the blue went on this side. So bit of fresh solder, never hurt anything. That's that one. That's that one. Right, now, quick check. Should have 16 volts across the across them, or thereabouts. 14. So that's right, I guess. Because it'll need charging. What's on this one? I don't actually know how to test these battery packs properly, but I presume 15 volts. Yeah, I presume that's going to be about right. Let me know if it's right or wrong, because I'm sure there's plenty of people out there watching who know a damn sight more than me. Because, like I say, I'm no expert. I'm more of a have a go type of guy. It's gonna fall off. Let me get a bit of glue. Bit of hot snot, as they say. Just wait for it to heat up. There we go. It's a fantastic little glue gun, this, you know. Heats up in seconds. It's really good. So I've got to make sure I get them in the right places. Otherwise I cause myself a mischief. Put that there so you can have a nosy. Right, so that's going to be the positive side. Yeah, positive side. So that should, if I've got it right, fit in there nicely. Look at that. And then I should have paid more attention. I think. Not sure. One sec while I go and get the other battery. Back again. Right, this is what it fits in. One of these. A power ratchet. So that's the way it goes. So it goes down this way. Is that right? Yeah. Oh my god, it's tight. There. Moment of truth. Is it gonna blow up or is it gonna work? Oh, look at that. So that fits in, as you can see. Back in. Get the new back, well, the one which is working. Winner. Put that on charge, and we're done. We're done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, let me know by giving it a like. If you didn't, let me know by giving it the thumbs down. If you like this sort of thing, you can always consider subscribing or not. Not really bothered, to tell you the truth. I'm just going to be putting these out there just for entertainment, really. Like the name says, I've got all the gear and I've got no idea really how to do it or what to use, how to fix things. Simple things like batteries can't be that hard. This is going to be the next video if anyone's interested. I put it on charge and it said it was fully charged, and then it stopped working, just didn't come on. So anyway, I've knackered it, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see. Bring the light over. It's knackered all there. Scratched it all to buggery. But that's as far as I've got. When I looked inside, I was like, oh my god, what on earth do you do with that? I'm hoping it's just the battery which has failed, an easy fix, but I don't know. But this is in the next video, which will be coming out probably next Saturday. So hope to see you soon, and yeah, hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.